Hello everyone, welcome to the Genesis online refresher course. And today we will be talking about the last topic that we are about to cover in the online refresher course. That is, here in this class we will cover calendars and clocks. Okay. So now before that, till here what all topics that we have completed, we will see that first, and then so that those people who haven't completed or who you haven't watched those videos, you can go refer the online refresher course playlist in the YouTube of Genesis training and then watch those videos. Okay. So now when it comes to the topics which are already covered, number system, percentages, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, time and work, permutation and combination, probability, averages, mixtures and alligation, ratio, proportion and variation, data interpretation. So these are the topics that we have covered from the quantitative aptitude class. And then from the reasoning we have already completed number series, letter series, coding and decoding, blood relation and direction sense, seating arrangement, and in this class we will be talking about clocks and calendars. Okay. And we left one question in the seating arrangement yesterday. We will do that as well. Okay. Once we complete clocks and calendars, at the last please remind me to take that particular question that we have left in the last class. So we will do that as well. Clear? Okay. Now let us start with clocks and calendars. And one more thing, please. Okay. So now today is the last class for aptitude training, and from Monday onwards verbal class or verbal training will be started. So I'll update you on that particular thing on Telegram channel, and yeah, it will be starting from Monday. Okay. So since we have completed aptitude training, I thought of giving a day break, that is for tomorrow on Friday. So take a day break on Friday, and even Saturday, Sunday you will be having a holiday. So from Monday onwards we'll start with the verbal. Okay. And then after this, one more thing is, please do attend the quiz as well. Okay. Attend the quiz and give your feedbacks. I have seen again the same 4 people are given the feedback, and none of you are participating other than these people. So please do participate. Okay. Now let us not delay and let us start the class. Now first we'll start with the calendars. Okay. First we'll talk about calendars and then we'll go to the clocks. Okay. Now since we are covering the things in just 1 hour, I'll just give you the tricks to solve the calendars. I won't be able to cover everything about the calendars, but whatever is important for you to solve the questions here, I'll give you all those particular basics. Okay. Now when it comes to calendars, the first thing is, all of you know, in a normal year, first start with the normal year. In a normal year, how many days will be there? There will be 365 days, correct? When it comes to leap year, I think you heard about leap year, right? All of you know about leap year. Leap year, there will be one more extra day, that is 366 days in total. Now this is about days. Next, in these 365 days, how many weeks are there in a year? If they were asked this, week means what? If I take 7 days together, then we call it as a week. So if I want to find out in 365 days, I mean in 1 year, how many weeks are there, what you have to do? You just have to divide 365 by 7. Now what is the value? You will get 52. That means 52 weeks are there. And what is the remainder? There will be one remainder. This one extra day we call it as an odd day. The one extra day we call it as an odd day. Next, in a leap year, we have 366 days. To find the number of weeks, 366 by 7. So how many weeks? 52 weeks. See guys, if you are not understanding anything in between, you can ask me the doubts in the comment box. Okay. So there will be 2 extra days, that I will call it as odd days. Now leap year. when it comes to normal year and leap year, how to find out which year is a normal year and which year is a leap year? Simple. For finding a leap year, you have to divide a given year by 4. Okay. If the given year is divisible by 4, then we call it as a leap year. Suppose if it is not divisible by 4, then we call it as a normal year. That's it. The one year which is not leap year is a normal year. Example, 2004. Is it a leap year or non-leap year? Leap year. Why? If I divide it by 4, it is completely divisible. Last 2 digits, 04, divisible by 4. So, it is completely divisible. That's why this is a leap year. Okay. And for example, 2001. Is it divisible by 4? No. 2000 is completely divisible, but 1 is a remainder. Correct? That's why this is a normal year. Any year except the normal year is a leap year. Now, one more condition for a leap year is if it is a century year. Okay. If the given year is a century year, instead of dividing it by 4, you have to divide it by 400. Check it for 400. Okay. Then, if it is divisible by 400, then we call it as a leap year, else it is also not a leap year. Example. For example, 1700. Is it divisible by 400? No. 4 4s are 16. 1 is a remainder. Correct? So, this is not divisible by 400. That's why this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. Now, which is a leap year? For example, 1600, 2000, 400. Right? All these numbers are divisible by 400. Yes or no? So, all these years are divisible by 400. These are the century years. That's why these are called as a leap years. So, I hope you understood. For a normal year, it should be divisible by 4. Then we call it as a leap year. For a century year, it should be divisible by 4 to call it as a leap year. Clear? Now, this is about a normal year and a leap year. Now, let us not delay these things. Directly we will get into the tricks and learn the tricks, and similarly based on the tricks we will solve the problems. Okay. Next. Okay. So, any doubt, anybody till here? Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. Okay. Now, let us learn the tricks. To solve the problems on calendars, we will remember some of the codes. Actually, there is a logic behind a code, but as of now, we will just remember the codes. Okay. Codes for year, month and days. Let us start from year. For year, if usually your questions will be from 1600 to 2100. Between these years only the questions will be asked. So, let us write these only. 1600 to, if I say 1699, the code is 6. If it is from 1700 to 1799, the code will be 4. 1800 to 1899, you will write the code 2. 1900 to 1999, the code is 0, and again the same particular code, this cycle will repeat. Say for example, 2000 to 2099, the code is 6. If you take from 2100 to 2199, the code is 4. So, what is happening? This is repeating, it repeats. Even backwards also it repeats, even the forward also it repeats. This is about a year code. Now, let us write the month code. Okay. We will learn the month code. When it comes to month code, first January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Correct? So, I am just writing one letter. The code is 0, 3, 3, 6, 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 0, 3, 5. Clear? So, let me differentiate here. Understanding? So, for January, month code is 0, February it is 3, March it is 3, August it is 6, April it is 6, and July also it is 6, right? And for October it is 0, November 3, December 5. So you need to remember this. How you gonna remember it? See, 033, if you add plus 2 for it, you will get 035. Now 614, 6 and 6 remains the same. 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. If you remember 614. So you can use any of the tricks to remember the code, but remember it. This is helpful to solve the question. Now the next thing is decode. Decode. Usually we'll start from Sunday, keeping it as a 0, and then let us keep Monday as 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday will be 5, and Saturday will be 6. Okay. Now it is not compulsory that you have to use the same code, but the problem is if you are changing the code, then you have to change the month code as well. Okay. So that's the reason. Remember only these things. Okay. Suppose how? I mean, I'll tell you just one example. If I increase Sunday to 1, then Monday should be increased to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again I have to increase all of them to the next code. 0 to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry. 0, 4, 1, 4, 4, 0. 6 will not become 7. Okay. This will become 0. Even here Saturday will not become 7, it becomes 0, because 7 divided by 7, 0, you cannot write 7, you have to write a 0. Reminder. All these are reminders. So in this way, this month code will also have to be changed. That's why whatever I have written the code here, just think this is a standard code and remember this code. Okay. Now the same code we will be using to solve the questions. Okay. So please, if you are not written it, please do write this code along with me, and then because this is the one which you are going to use to solve the questions. Okay. Well, now let us solve the problems based on this. There I will tell you, along with the problem, I will tell you how to use these particular codes. Okay. Well, the first problem here is 15th August 2010 was which day of the week is the question. Okay. So what's the question? 15 August 2010, you have to find out which day it is. Okay. Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? Okay. 4 options. Thursday or Wednesday. Is it Friday or is it Sunday? How are you gonna do it? Simple. First write which is the day. What is the day? 15. Okay. Next, year. Which year? 2010, but don't write the whole number, just write the last 2 digits of that year, 10. Okay. Next is year divided by 4, and you just have to write the quotient of this particular value. Okay. That means when you divide 10, okay, let me write it like this: 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 is a remainder, but you are not allowed to consider this. You should take this quotient. This is a quotient and this is a remainder. Okay. So take quotient. What is the quotient? 2. Okay. Year divided by 2. Next, year divided by 4 and then quotient, because this is to count those extra leap years which are present here in the year, given particular year. Okay. Till now. Next is, after you write day, year by 4, now write the month code. For August month, which is the month code? If you go there, you can see this: July, August, September. There I have written 6, 2, 5. This is for August. August is 2. So month code. Okay. Month code is 2. Once you have written the month code, the next is year code. Okay. Year code. What is the year code between 2000? Now for any year which is between 2000 to 2099, it is 6, because it started repeating. So the code is 6. Clear? Now either you have to add all of them. Okay, first we'll do that. Okay, you have to add all of them and then divide by 7 to find that extra day, or to find the actual day on 15th August 2010. 15 plus 10, 25, correct? 25 plus 2, 27, 27 plus 2, 29, 30, 35. So the sum is 35. Now divide this 35 by 7 and check for the remainder. When you divide 7 and 35, 7 5s are 35, so the remainder is 0. Now I have given you the day code. In the day code, 0 stands for which particular day? It stands for Sunday. So what is the answer? It is Sunday. Now here either you can add or you can cancel all those numbers which are divisible by 7 here itself. See, 7 2s are 14, 1 is the remainder, 7 1s are 7, 3 is the remainder. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10. When you divide this 10 by 7, 3 is the remainder. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 7 0 is the remainder. Here again you will get the same value which is Sunday. Clear? So I hope you understood this question. If you have any questions, please do comment in the comment box, okay, so that I will get to know what's your doubt. Understanding? Okay, sorry to ask this again, but please do write your college name, from which college you are, and send it to me, okay, I mean in the comment box, so that I will get to know from which all colleges the students are attending. Okay, now the second question. Here, today is Monday, after 61 days it will be which day, okay, is the question. See, this is simple. See, how you gonna find out this? Say for example, today I will say first is what? Sunday, then 7 will be okay, again Saturday, correct? First, second, third, you go to 7, it will be Saturday. Again if you go for 8th, it again repeats Sunday, and then 14 will again be Saturday, okay. So what's happening? After 7 days the days will repeat. Simple. What you have to do? You have to divide the 61 by 7, because after that the days will start repeating. So 61 divided by 7, okay, Jankar is from Sambram, okay. Now when you divide 61 by 7, what is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. Now add 5 to Monday, and whichever the day you will get, that will be your answer, okay. Monday plus 5, okay, Monday and then plus 5, how much it will be? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So your answer is Saturday. Clear? Okay. Yeah, Johnson is from Sambram, Pavitra is from Sambram. Others? Others? Okay, now see here. Next question. Are you guys understanding or any doubts here? Okay, now see here. In a particular year, the month of January had exactly 4 Thursdays and 4 Sundays. On which day of the week did January first occur in the year? Okay. Now, first of all, we'll get to know how many days are there in January. All of you know January is containing 31 days, correct? So now what I want 4 Thursday and 4 Sundays. That means I want 4 weeks, complete 4 weeks. Now 31 divided by 7, tell me how many weeks I'll get? I'll get 4 complete weeks. 7 4s are 28 and the remainder is 3 extra. So 3 extra days, correct? 4 complete weeks and I'll get 3 extra days. 1, 2, 3. Now if I start this particular day with, for example, say for example Sunday, okay. If I am going to start this particular example with Sunday, that is January 1st as with Sunday, then here what I'll get Saturday. So again Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday. I am getting 4 Sundays and in between I will get 4 Thursday. This is perfect. But see here, if I am starting here with Sunday, then here it has to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Perfect. Okay. So I am getting only 4 Sundays. Am I getting only 4 Sundays? No, here one more extra Sunday is added. So I cannot take this particular option because I got 5 Sundays. Okay, what they are expecting, they want 4 Sunday and 4 Thursday. Now what I'll do, I'll start this, and moreover the Sunday is not an option. I cannot start my January 1st with Sunday. Why? Because see, I want January 1st, they have given Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday and Monday. So there is no Sunday here, I cannot start with Sunday. Now let us start with Monday. If I start here from Monday, here it will be Sunday, again Monday, Sunday, Monday, here ends at Sunday, Monday, here ends at Sunday, again here it will start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now what I got 4 Sunday and 4 Thursday. So which day you are starting with? Monday. That's why January 1st is your correct answer. Okay, 4 people are from Sambram. Others, I can see 12 people here. Others, 5 are from Sambram. Okay, so now this is a question. Now I will give a quiz for you guys. So please do try attending this particular question. Let me start a timer. Other people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 people are from Sambram. I can see 11 people. What about the other 6 people? You are from which college? Oh, Exeter. Option C. Jankar is saying option C is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Two by 7. Good, man. Good, Jankar. And it's a correct answer. Okay. So now, how it is 2 by 7 is the question, right? See here, what is the chance that a leap year selected at random contains 53 Fridays? Okay. So let us go for this. If we go for a normal year, I'll get 52 weeks and 1 odd day. 1 odd day. Now if I go for a leap year, I'll get 366 days. That means 52 weeks and 2 odd days. Okay. Now we are getting 2 extra days here. Okay. In these 52 weeks, I'm definitely getting a 52 Fridays. Okay, I'll definitely get 52 Fridays, and we are not worried about it. What I want one more. They are talking about one more extra Friday. So how many such chances are there that I get one more extra Friday is the question. So out of these 2 days can be any days. This 2 days, I'll write here. These 2 days, the combination can be anything. It can be Sunday, Monday, or it can be Monday and Tuesday, or it can be Tuesday and Wednesday, the combination, or it can be Wednesday, Thursday, or it can be Thursday, Friday, or it can be Friday, Saturday, correct, or it can be Saturday, Sunday, correct, and Sunday, Monday I have already written. So now how many of such choices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct, 7. Out of these 7, probability I have taught you, right? Out of total, how many such possibilities are there? That you will write in the numerator. Exactly the same thing. Now, out of these 7, how many such options are there where you have Friday as one of your option? One is here. Thursday, Friday also you may get Friday. In Friday, Saturday also you will get 1 Friday. Correct? So, how many choices out of 7? 2. That's why the answer is 2 by 7. If they would have given us 365 days, then it is simple. You will start from Sunday and end at Saturday, and there are 7 options. Out of 7, there is only one chance that you can get one more extra Friday, so it is 1 by 7. Understanding? Okay. Since they are talking about a leap year, it is 2. If they were talking about a normal year, then it would have been 1 by 7. It can be any day. It is not just Friday. It can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It can be any day. It will be 1 by 7 only. Okay. Yes, Pavitra Jenka, your answer is correct. Okay. So answer is C, 2 by 7. Next question. Please do attend this question. Why none of you are answering? Well, it's okay. Let us solve this question. Which of the following can't be the last day of the century? Okay, they are asking which of the following cannot be the last day of the century. Option B, Tuesday. Okay, very good, Janka. So how you gonna find it? Since, okay, if I say 100 days, in 100 days, how many odd days will be there? Okay, in 100 days, you will get 5 odd days. How about now? Is it streaming now? Is it streaming now? Yeah, I think it's streaming now. And okay, from where I have to explain it back again? Okay, from second question. Okay, I have explained all the clocks, man. And I didn't get to know. See? Okay, I think we stopped here. This one is done. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. I'll explain it again, don't worry. Okay, can't be the last day of the year. I don't know whether I have completed this question or no. Okay, see here, 100 years means there will be 5 odd days. In 200 years, there will be 3 odd days. And in 300 years, there will be 1 odd day. 400 years, 0 odd day. So, 5th day means Friday. So, Friday cannot be your answer because they are asking which can't be the last day. 3 means Wednesday. So, Wednesday cannot be your answer. 1 means it is Monday. So, Monday cannot be your answer. And Sunday also cannot be your answer. So, that Tuesday is your answer. Clear? Now, we completed clocks. Next, we moved on to calendars. Next, we moved on to clocks actually. Okay. So, first, okay, I'll explain the whole clock again. Don't worry. Since I have written some of the things here, I'll explain you this and then move on to that particular thing. Okay. Is it streaming now? Let me check it. Yeah, it is. Well, now when it comes to this, see here, they'll ask when hour hand and the minute hand will coincide, and when or how many times the hour hand and the minute hand will coincide in 12 hours? How many times the hour hand and the minute hand will coincide in 24 hours? How many times the hour hand and minute hand will come opposite in 12 hours and opposite in 24 hours? How many times the hour hand and minute hand will be in right angle in 12 hours and right angle in 24 hours will be the question. Clear? So this is how the questions will be asked. Now the basic I'll explain it again. Let me complete this and then I'll go back, okay, since you have missed it. Now coincide. In 12 hours they'll coincide 11 times. Where they'll not coincide between 11 to 12, they have to coincide 2 times, but instead they'll coincide only once it at 12. So it is 11 times. In 24 hours means double of it, 22 times. Similarly, opposite. When they'll be opposite, for example, see here, at 6 o'clock, they are exactly at 180 degree opposite to each other, correct? So, in 12 hours, the same, they'll come opposite to each other 11 times. When they'll not be opposite to each other, see, between 5 to 7, they should be opposite 2 times, but they'll come opposite at 6 o'clock only once. So, here one more value reduced, that's why 11 times, double of it is 22 times. Try to remember this value if you are not understanding. That's it. Now, right angle. How many times? When you see 3, you will get one right angle here. And then if this is a minute hand and when this is a hour hand, when this minute hand start moving and moving and moving, see here, after some distance, again it will form one more right angle. One here and one more after this. So, for 1 hour, between 1 hour, it will form 2 right angles. Okay. 2 right angles will be formed in 1 hour. That means in 12 hours, how many? 24 should be formed. But the problem is between 2 to 4 and between 7 to 10. Okay. 8 to 10. There should actually be 2 here, 2 here, and here 2, here 2. There should be 4 here and 4 here. But what happens is there will be only 3 right angles which will form one exactly at 9 and one more in between. Here one exactly at 3, one more in between, one more in between. So 3 here, 3 here. Again 2 have been reduced here instead of 24. That's why in 12 hours there will be 22 right angles will form. Okay. 12 hours 22 times they will form a right angle. In 24 hours it will be double of it, 44 times. Okay. So just remember this particular thing. That's it. Now what I explained in the basic, let me explain it to you back again. Okay. Simple. I just explained the clock's basic. Okay. Why it's not erasing? Oh. Yeah, instead of discarding, I kept it, right? So I'm not being able to erase it. Okay. Well, I cannot erase it. Forget it. I'll explain you just like this. Okay. So now let me go here. Hour hand and minute hand we were talking about. When you look at this, see, this is a hour hand and this is a minute hand. Minute hand, if it starts from here, in 1 hour it will cover this 360 degree, correct? So if I take minute hand, it will cover 360 degree in 60 minutes, correct? In 1 minute, how much it will cover? Simple, 360 divided by 60, okay? So 0, 0, 6 1s are 6 6. So it will cover in 6 degree. I'll write here. In 1 minute, minute hand will cover 6 degree. Now let us talk about the hour hand. When you go to hour hand, see here, it will cover only one block out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of total 12 block, it will cover only one block out of it, okay, in 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, it will cover 1 block out of 12 blocks. I mean 12 block is equal to 360 degree. If I want 1 block value, how will I do? 360 divided by 12, I'll get 30 degree. So 1 block is equal to 30 degree, which is covered by our hand. So in 60 minutes it is covering 30 degree. In 1 minute how much it will cover? Simple, 30 by 60, which is equal to half a degree. Clear? It will cover half a degree. Now you have to remember this. In 1 minute our hand will cover half degree. In 1 minute hand will cover 6 degree. That's it. This is all that I have explained in the basic. Okay. Now let us solve the problems. At what time between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock will the hands of a clock be together is a question. Now I will give you one simple formula that you need to remember whenever you find the angle, okay, and minute. Okay. Now when you are finding the angle, it should be theta is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2m. Okay. Substitute r here, minute here, and find the theta. Clear? You can use this particular formula. Okay. If it is minute, just reverse the things. Okay, interchange the things and find out hours, minutes, everything. Now what they are asking, at what time? Time means it should be in minutes, hours, correct? Now since the clocks be together is a question. Now I will directly give you a shortcut for this. Simple. Time is equal to 60 divided by 11. It is actually derived from this only. Okay. Derivation will not do it now. 60 divided by 11 into T1. T1 means what they are given, 7 to 8. So this is first time is T1, second is T2. So T1 is 7. M is equal to 60 divided by 11. T1 is 7. Okay. 6 into 7, 42. 420 divided by 11. 11 and 11 3s are 33. 9 is the remainder. 11 8s are 88. 2. So 38. 2 by 11 minutes fast 7 o'clock. Okay. After 7 o'clock. 7:38. 2 by 11 minutes. The hands of the clock will be together. So please do remember this. For this particular formula is only when the clocks of the only when the hands of the clocks are coinciding. Okay, this is only for coincidence. So I am specifically mentioning this. This is a shortcut and which is only used for coincidence. And this particular formula can be used to find any angle, irrespective of any degree. Clear? So the answer is 38, 2 by 11. Now let us go to the next question. The minute hand and hour hand of a clock meet every 62 minutes. Does the clock gain or lose in 24 hours? Okay. Now I told you right just now, hour hand will cover only if it is 1 o'clock. See, hour hand will in 1 hour it will cover only 1 block, and but the minute hand will cover all the 12 blocks, and 1 block is equal to 5 minutes. All of you know this, right? 1 block is equal to 5 minutes. Now since the hour hand is covering only 1 block and minute hand will cover the whole 360 degree, I mean all the 12 blocks, that nothing but 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, for every 60 minutes, how much an hour minute hand will be gaining? It will be gaining 55 minutes. Okay, minute hand will gain 55 minutes. Now to gain 60 minutes, how much it has to travel? Okay, this is how you have to solve this, because every 62 minutes what they are saying, minute hand and hour hand will meet. Okay, so gaining means they will come back and meet here. Actually they should meet here, but they are not meeting. They are meeting 55 minutes. I mean they will meet at what time? We'll get to know. Instead of 60 minutes, instead of meeting at 12, hour hand and minute hand after covering 12 hours, they should meet here, but they won't meet here. They will meet at some other particular time. We'll find out that when. So to gain that 60 minutes, how much it has to travel? Cross multiply. That is 60 into 60. I won't do the whole calculation. Please do it. 60 into 60. This counts around 65. 5 by 11 minutes. Okay. So when they'll meet? First time 65 5 by 11 minutes. Now what they're talking, or to gain 60 minutes, it should cover 65 5 by 11 minutes. Understanding? What they are saying? They are saying it is gaining 62 minutes. So subtract it. 65 5 by 11, it is bit complicated. So watch it again. So minus 62. When you take a LCM and do this, you will get it as 38 by 11 minutes. Okay. Since it is already the time, that's why I am going bit faster. Okay. 38 2 by 11. Now, so in 62 minutes, it will be gaining 38 by 11 minutes. What they are asking? They are not asking 62 minutes, they are asking about 24 hours. So in 24 hours, in 62 minutes, if it is gaining 38 by 11 minutes, in 24 hours, how much it will gain? Simple. Again, cross multiply. So how will you do it? 24, since this is in hours, we will convert it into minutes. So simple, you have to multiply it by 60 to convert, and then divide it by 62 into 38 by 11. Okay. Please sit and do all this calculation. Here you will get it as 6087 divided by 77, and your answer will be 7874 by 11 minutes. That is option C. Clear? So I know this particular value, the gain and lose, will be a bit complicated and it's a bit difficult to understand at one go. So please watch it again and you'll understand it. Clear? Okay. Now let us go to the next question. What is the angle between the two hands when time is 5:30? Okay, is the question. Simple. I gave you the formula, right? Theta equal to 30h minus 11 by 2m. Substitute the values and find the angle. 30, r is 5, so 5. 11 by 2, minutes is 30 minutes, so 30. Then 30 into 5, 150. 11 by 2, 11 into 30. Okay, 11 by 2 ones are 2 15s are 11 into 165. See, here it is modulus everywhere, means the minus sign will not matter. It is 15 degree. Theta is equal to, where it is? Option D, 15 degree. The minus sign will not matter. So answer is 15 degree. Now I'll give you some of the questions for you to solve. Okay, try it. Easy only. I think you'll get this answer. Okay, since I went back and came. Okay, it's working. Okay, so how many times do the hands of a clock coincide in 5 hours is the question. Now see here, just now I told you, instead of coinciding at 60 minutes, what they are doing? They are coinciding at 65 5 by 11 minutes. Okay, that means after 1 o'clock, here somewhere after 1 o'clock, somewhere here they will coincide. If this is a clock, this is 12 and this is 1. After completing 12 hours, here they will coincide for the first time. Again, after 12 hours I am saying. Okay. So because of this, in 5 hours actually they should coincide 5 times, and I said here it will be a delay. So due to that delay and because of this delay, what will happen is they will coincide only 4 times. Okay, you can just remember this particular value. Next, I think all of you will get it now. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. means it's a 12-hour cycle. Yeah, 4. 4 is the correct answer, Jankar. Option B, 10. Okay. Jankar is saying 10. Think, Jankar, it's a 12-hour cycle. Just now I gave you a ready-made answers, right? In the beginning, I explained how many times they'll coincide, how many times they'll be opposite, how many times they'll be in a right angle to each other. Didn't I? Okay. So the answer is 11 times, because I told you just now how many times in 12-hour cycle they'll coincide. It can be any 12 hour. It should not be necessary like 12 to 12. It can be 1 to 1. It can be 2 to 2. It can be any cycle, but it should be. Oh, option B was previous. Okay. So here they'll coincide 11 times. Okay, opposite 11 times. Only right angle will be 22 times. This is for a 12-hour cycle. For 24-hour cycle, this will be 22, this will be 22, and this will be 44. Clear? So since I have explained it already, I am not going to explain it again. You understood? It will be 11 times. Now, any doubts still here? Anybody, any doubts, any queries? Okay, your verbal class, you are asking about the verbal class, right? So tomorrow take a holiday and we'll start the verbal class from Monday onwards. Option C, correct. Yes, any doubt? Any queries? Is there any doubt in any of the classes that we have come? Because since this is the last day of the aptitude training class that I have scheduled for 15 hours of the class, and most probably will not be there. Like Dinesh sir will be taking the classes verbal on verbal. So if you have any queries in any of this 15 hours of class of mine, please do let me know. Okay, no queries? Others? Only Jankar has answered. Other 11 people? Okay. Well, it's already 6, and yes, we forgot to do that yesterday's question. Okay, since we don't have a time, and I think many of you are left already, those who are there, I'll just give you that particular seating arrangement. You try it. You have the question, right? So please do try it. It was something like this, I think. Whatever I remember, 4 were inwards and outwards. Those people who were, this is the last question that we did yesterday. Okay, and what were the condition? P should be second left of O, and J should be second left of K, and L should be second left of N, right? I think these were the condition, and J should not come along with L. It should not come anywhere near to L. It should not be a neighbor of N. Okay, no others, no doubts. Okay, so well, I just write this. O, left P. We started with J, which is facing inside here, and N, L. If I write 1, 2, 3, here comes L. This is done. This is done. J should be k, second left of k, j, k left k, okay, k, and m is remaining. Cannot write j here, I can write r. R should be first, second, third, r. Okay, so yeah, yesterday the mistake was, instead of writing L to the second left of n, I started with writing n to the right of L. So then now I think this is proper. Okay, what was the question? I think only one question I remembered, who is sitting opposite to k? The answer was R or L or something. No, who is sitting opposite to j or something. Okay, I think this is the final one. Okay, well, I think except this, I hope you don't have any other queries. All of you said no. Well, thank you so much guys for participating in this particular refresher course, and show the same interest for the verbal classes as well, because more than quantitative aptitude, verbal is very much necessary for you guys to learn. Okay, being engineers, you learn the quants easily or aptitude easily. Please do attend the verbal. Okay, because it's like 50-50 each, so you have to attend that as well. Maintain the same consistency till the last class. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice evening.